Alright, I'm going to show our vegan and vegetarian food. 99% of it is vegan. Lots of pasta. Lots of cereal. Most of them are fairly healthy. Quinoa. Couscous. Falafel, hummus. Lots of good spices, most of them are healthy, like turmeric, curry, agave instead of honey, egg replacer. You also can use applesauce with bacon, or just scramble up tofu for an egg white taste. Got those in Chinatown, the vegan chicken strips, popcorn. Some freezer items I took out to display. Coconut, soy, or almond ice cream, and milk and cheeses. Indian food. Quinoa burgers, very healthy. First ingredient is quinoa. Mexican food, easily made vegetarian. Olive oil is healthy. Natural oatmeal. Multivitamin. Satan in the back, good substitute. Vegan butter, garlic, very healthy for your heart. Those are really good, like a meatball replacer. Vegan Italian sausages, spinach, lots of good iron. Got grapes, avocados, lots of mushrooms, a few bins of mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, make a pasta salad with all that, and the olives, onions. Carrots, guacamole, Vegan cheese. I think it's 99% vegan. Might be casein in it. Soy cheese. Sprinkle cheese. Chia seeds, great for omega-3s rather than fish. Mustard, olives. Nutritional yeast, great, tastes like cheese. And great for B12, flaxseed oil, heart healthy omega-3s. Packed up freezer. Lots of frozen vegetables because they're not perishable. And berries. Don't like perishable stuff. Don't like being rushed. Got like 8 bags of these frozen berries, blackberries, raspberries, blueberries. Peppers. Mixed bag of peppers from Trader Joe's. Vegan fish, even. Pretty good. Got that in Chinatown. Morningstar vegan chicken, found in most grocery stores' freezer section. Pretty damn good. More quinoa burgers. Actually, there's quite a few boxes of quinoa burgers. Got squash here. Bunch of frozen cooked squash. Just thaw it out, throw it in the microwave. Amy's dinners for lunch. Chicken again, more chicken. Beyond Meat. This is a huge bag of chicken. And then there's a big bag of vegan shrimp back here as well. More Amy's dinners falling out. The refrigerator was too full, I had to take them out of the refrigerator. Out of the freezer. Broccoli, really healthy. More vegan fish. Even in the shape of the fish. Mushroom medley. Sweet potato fries. Healthier than regulars. Got frozen peas back here. You got tons of berries, as I said before. Things filled up to the top. Lots of frozen vegetables for stir fries. Mixed vegetable bags. You get the point. It's filled up to the top. So there's tons of vegan foods you can eat. Got different types of veggie burgers back there. Black bean burger. Got naked chicken, just plain, no breading. So lots of good options, as you can see. Teas over here, healthy. Italian, Mexican, Indian, all made vegetarian very easily or vegan. Go to meatvideo.com, vegguide.org for finding places to eat near you.